Welcome to Liesl's Artistic Studio. I'm glad you're joining me today. I always enjoy trying out anything when it comes to art, and I love to experiment and try new things. And I recently had a friend give me these shimmer markers to try out. So this is the first time I will be using these. Let's check them out and see what they can do. So as I pulled these pens out, I noticed that there are some instructions on the side of the marker. The first step is to shake the pen before each use, then press the pen tip down several times, and then of course put the cap on tightly after use. So I've shaken it, now I'm pressing the tip down. Let's give this a try. Wow, this is really cool. It might be hard to see on camera, but it is very shimmery on the inside, and then it has an outline of the color on the outside. Let's see what the other colors look like. So I thought it would be a good idea to pause the video real quick and shake up the rest of the colors just to save a bit of time. So here we go with the remaining colors. There we have it. As I said before, the inside of the lines are a silver shiny color, and the outside is the outline of the color of the marker. So I'm just going to doodle something and see how they look together. These are really fun to use. I think they would be really awesome for writing as well. Well, I think it's time to try doodling something a little bit bigger. Let's see how it turns out. Thanks for being with me to share this new experience. It sure was a lot of fun. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and join me for more videos.